Okay. Hi friends, I am Madhyalan, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Today we have a discuss about the DT concept and the DT sum of activities. We have a 5 stages we know. Okay, DT 5 activities, 5 stages we have know. So first activities, what is empathize? And empathize understanding the user. So develop a deep understanding for the people you are listening for. Okay, this is one of the DT activity. So how to understanding the user, how to develop a deep understanding of the people you are listening for. Okay.
Empathize, understand the user. Goal, develop the deep understanding of the people you are designing for. Activities, observations.
Observations means we have an activity for some of observations. It is the user understanding of this concept of observations. Okay, next.
Interviews.
Interview means some of the people, what deep understanding of the people of some of designs. It is the interview basis we have asking. Next.
Empathy maps.
Empathy maps. Empathy maps, it is the one of the flow control or prototype. It is the map for what's the user is the understanding of people. Okay, right. Next.
User personas.
User personas. Okay, user experience, user personas. It is the based on activity of understanding the user. Next.
Example, talk to students to understand why they dislike online learning.
Okay, this is the example of goal. Your understanding of the user, student, it is the for example of why they dislike online learning. This is the example of empathize. It is the sum of the struggle of empathize concept. So it is the based on the business concept in the DT. So understanding the user. It is the new product or new personal feedback or empathize the understanding the user. Is that correct? Okay, sure. Thank you. Okay, next is the define. It is the frame the problem. Okay, stand up. So it is the define. Second phase is the define. It is the frame the problem. It is the goal is clearly define the core problem. How to problem used and clearly what is user insight you are frame the problem.
Define, frame the problem. Goal, clearly define the core problem based on user insights.
Okay.
Tools, problem statement.
Problem statement. Every define it is the problem statement. It is the one posting you are a TT playbook or TT project. It is the one type of problem statement. Okay. I asked you for some of the DT posting. It is the problem statement. It is the given for the problem statement. You have a clear that is the frame. Okay. Next.
Point of view.
Point of view. What point of view you have to tell in the DT in the define. Okay. Next.
How might be.
How might be? Okay, this is the question is the very important. It's the HCMW. It is the how might be concept of the define frame the problem. Next.
Example, how might be make online learning more engaging for college students.
Okay, this is the frame of the problem. This is the given for the problem statement. So how to might be online learning more engaging the college student. This is the or frame of define stages of frame the problem. Okay, sit down. Empathize finish, define finish. Next stage is the ideate. How to general ideate for the DT in the explore the wide range of creativity ideas for the different problem. I have given the generative idea. It is the sum of the problem we have used sum of idea. So how to explore the wide range of the creativity idea for the define the problem. I have given the sum of the problem how to clear it.
Generate ideas, goals, explore a wide range of creative ideas.
Wide range of creative idea. Next.
Ideas for the defined problem.
Okay. Sattama.
Techniques, brainstorming.
Brainstorming. It is the brainstorming. It is the clear. What is the general idea? We have a sum of the given the problem. We have a brainstorming idea of group or individual. We can take it up sum of brainstorming idea. Next. Scamper means we have discussed about this topic. Next.
Mind mapping.
Mind mapping. I have given for the general idea for some of the problem you see. This is the based on general idea. We can create it for the some of the problem. We can wide range of creativity of attractive creativity of some of ideas. Okay.
Example, come up with 20+ ways to improve online learning.
Okay, we have come to the 20 way to improve the online learning for the general idea plus DT also. It is the games, puzzles, peer discussions. Some extra we have used it for general idea. Okay. So 3 parts are guys. Define, ideate. So next it is the prototype. The prototype it is the build solutions. It is the DT concept of it is very useful. So it is the goal, create a quick and low cost of version of your idea. This is the based on one prototype. Okay, stand for this prototype. Stand for
Prototypes, build solution, goal, create quick and low cost variations of your ideas.
okay. We have create a quick and low cost version of idea. Okay, we have given for the some of the prototype. We have an easy way to low cost of prototype. We have ideas to it. Next.
Types, sketches.
Sketches. Okay, prototype sketches is the very important for the build the solutions. Next.
Wireframes.
Wireframes. Okay, next.
Models or concepts.
Models or mock-ups. So this is a very useful of the your frame for prototype. Next. Storyboard. Next.
Example, create a sample online class with interactive features.
Okay, this is the based on prototype. Okay, we have 4 DT activities is the finished. First one is the empathize, define, ideate, prototype. Fifth one is the test. So test it is the get the feedback from the customer. Okay, so for example, test prototype it is the real user to see what works and what does not. Okay, this type of use. So what is the testing implementation and get the feedback for the user?
Feedback. Test prototype real users to see what works and what doesn't.
Okay.
Methods. Usability of testing.
Okay, usability of testing. So yeah, so usability of testing means what test means we have analysis. Okay, next.
A/B testing.
A/B testing. It is the ideation testing. It is the feedback of users or interview students or whatever it is. Okay, next.
Feedback interviews.
Feedback interviews. Okay, we have a customer, we have buying for our product, so we have collect the feedback or testing. It is the implement of the get the feedback from the customers. Okay, next.
Example, run the trial for online class and collecting
Students feedback. Okay, run under trial after reduce the online classes and collect the feedback from the user. Okay, this type of we have using the DT activity or the DT project and a DT way to discuss about the we have the brainstorming ideas. Okay, so okay, thank you.